Melanie, Mommy's been sleeping for a really long time. She's recovering, Krissy. She has to sleep. I know, but I'm just worried. It'll be okay, Krissy. Once she gets better, we can all go home and none of this ever happened, okay? How can you just pretend nothing happened, Melanie? Mommy was shot and Daddy's gone forever. I know, but at least Tony won't be after us anymore. I mean, he's gonna be put back in jail. Yeah, I hope so. Don't worry, Krissy. I think he's kind of afraid of you since you shot him in the ear, you know? Please don't talk about that. I didn't mean to. It's okay, Krissy. At least you didn't kill him. It doesn't matter, Melanie, because even though I didn't, I really, really wanted to. And that's not me. It's okay. It made a lot of people want to kill him, Krissy. He took our daddy away. And he almost took our mommy away. He's gonna go back to jail. It's okay. Okay? Girls. What is it, Doctor?
Is Krystal awake yet?
No. But, you can tell us.
I can't tell you guys yet until Krystal wakes up.
Why? What is it? Yeah, please tell us. Girls. Mommy. Mommy. I love you guys.
Krystal, Krissy, and Melanie, please listen to me. Well, you see, I was walking back into Tony's room to give him some medicine for his gunshot wound, and, well, he's gone.
Gone? You mean gone? You mean that fat messed up pug is dead? Why do you sound so sad about that?
Girls, I don't mean gone as in dead. I mean gone as in he's not there anymore. He left. What? Krystal, he's gone. Which means he's probably going to be coming after you guys again.
What are we gonna do?
It's alright. Krystal, since you are going to be going home soon, we are going to have police guard your house. Is that okay?
Oh, yes, please. Please, thank you.
How are you feeling, Krystal?
Feeling pretty well. Do you think we could go home now? I don't want to go home now. It's okay, Krissy. We'll have police guarding our house. That way Tony can't hurt us. Mommy, I don't want to go home.
It's okay, Krissy. They'll protect us, okay?
Okay.
I can discharge you guys now then. So, you really want to go home?
Yes, please.
Krystal, if you're still feeling ill, I want you to call us, okay?
Alright. I get it.
Alright. You guys are free to go home now. So, I'll have Officer Butch drive you home.
Is Officer Butch feeling okay? I mean, he was shot too.
Officer Butch is fine now. He's been healing for some days, and yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Alright, Krystal. Do you need help getting out of the car?
Nope, I'm fine now, Butch. Trust me. Come on, girls.
I'll be back later to check on you guys, okay? Hey, don't worry, Butch. We got him. It's okay. Okay, well, contact me with the walkie-talkie if you see Tony anywhere, okay? We got it. Just making sure, okay? Bye. You guys can go on inside. We'll make sure Tony doesn't come around your house, okay? Okay. Come on, girls. Thanks. Oh, guard jobs. Aren't they just so dang fun? Oh, yeah, totally. And honestly, I might end up pooping my pants if I actually see Tony, so yeah. Why are you even a police officer then? Because I've always dreamed of it. Let's go. What if he comes around the back?
Well, smart boy, why don't you go guard around back then?
I think we should stay together. Then why did you bring up about going around the back? Well, because it's true. I'll go guard around the back. You stay here. Wait! If Tony comes back, just contact me or yell, okay? Oh, okay. Come on, girls. I'll get you something to eat.
I'm so hungry. Me too. Mommy looks so sad. I know. I'm sad too. I really miss Dad. We all do, Krissy. But there's nothing we can do about it. He's gone now forever. Krissy, are you crying? No. Krissy, I'm not stupid. It's okay to cry. A lot of stuff is going on, Krissy. It's okay. I just want it to end, Melanie. I know, Krissy, I know. I'll make sure it does, okay? I won't let anything happen to you. But I don't want you or Mom to die either. It won't happen, Krissy, I promise. It'll be okay. I swear. Girls, are you crying? Mommy? It'll be okay. I promise. What are we gonna do without Daddy? It'll be okay. Come on, back to the table. It's time to eat. Okay. Okay. Dig in, you guys. Wait, Mommy, you're not gonna eat? I'm not hungry. Oh. Here, Krissy, have a drink. Thanks, Melanie. You're welcome. Mommy gave us cake, too. We'll get to that eventually. Night, Krissy. Night, Melanie. You guys didn't think I would go to bed without saying goodnight, now did you? Of course not, Mom. Good. Good night, Melanie. Night, Mommy. Good night, Krissy. Good night, Mommy. I love you. I love you too. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay, Krissy? Okay. Good night. Good night. Good night, girls. Home, sweet home. I'm going to need some better helpers on my side. I don't know where all of mine ran off to. Cowards. Sooner or later, I will kill that stupid cat and her stupid little kittens. It's only a matter of time. It is going to take forever to find Krystal in this drawer.
Where are you, Krystal?
Holy cookies in a faraway meadow. Yep, this might take a while. And of course, can't forget this bucket. Somebody kill me.
Looks like ISIS LPS is having some issues finding my mommy. Crud. You know what that means.
Hello, my little pet shops.
Oh my gosh, there's a dead cat over there. Somebody shave it.
I still have this stinking bucket full too. Maybe I should check in there. Hard to do this with one hand. Tony Gray, I'm gonna need you. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. She was in this bucket, and I freaking dumped out that whole bucket. Thank you, Krystal. Now I'm going to have to put all those back in my stinking bucket. Thank you so much. I don't even know why I'm filming this. Don't forget this body. Yeah.